Hello guys, I'm Ken. Now today I will show you a Valentino sound high sneak. You can see, and the color is black. Okay, and with the sneak, it comes with a small paper pocket. Now you can see, color is red and the print black logo. On the inside, you can see a plastic card. The other side. And a small paper card, you can see. Okay, and it comes with two dust bags. You can see the dust bag. In this part here, have a Valentino label on dust bag, and the material is cotton. You can see. Okay, and it also have a shoe box. You can see the shoe box. Color is black. Here printed the Valentino logo. And in this part you have a label on shoe box. Now you can see the label. Okay, and it also have a receipt. Now you can see the receipt. Okay, and now let's see the detail of the high sneak. The sneak is very light. Use a light sweater. Now you can see. Light sweat, and in the this part here have a feel elastic, and now you can see little. This sweet effect little. This part here is sweet effect little, and this part here use a painter little. You can see, and this part use lacquer sweet. You can see, very nice and very breathable shoe tone. This part sweet little. It's very nice. All is black, and you can see this is long toe line laces. You can see, very nice, and it not have shoe tone. Now you can see, and the back here have a silver metallic stud, and have a little handle. You can see here have some hole on the sweet little, and this part here print Valentino logo. And the inside, now you can see the inside. This is same as the sweater, and this part here have a label. Now you can see the label, little label on inside, and print the size. And the insole use the fabric material. Now you can see, and in the print Valentino logo. Okay, wait a minute. You can see in so print the Valentino logo. You can see. Okay, and now you can check the rubber sole. Very light and smooth. You can see. There's some rubber stud, and in the middle here embossed the Valentino logo, and that made in material. You can see small stars. Very light, and realistic. Or use painting little, sweet little, and use a light sweater. Print logo. The rubber sole, light rubber sole. Now you can see. So color is white. It's very nice. Yeah, okay, and if you like this Valentino sound high sneak, you can contact me via my WhatsApp. This is my name and my WhatsApp. You can add it. I will help you. Okay, thank you. See you.